Southgategarage coming at you live from the Southland in the tax and spend state. We got my family here cleaning up this Avalanche. Now, how do you make that glass look so good?
Index.
Index, huh? Looks good, huh? Paint's popping. A little bit of wax on the hood. Cool. Now, what year? Do you know what year this is?
I have no idea.
It's got to be like 2005, huh? 2007. They stopped making them in 2007, right?
I think so.
So you think you can get this this faded piece back here off?
Hopefully we'll try.
Probably use some plastic repellent, huh?
Yeah.
Look, you can see yourself in this. So a lot of hard work, huh? And some Windex. So you get sore arms when you work on cars.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice car. See, I don't know why General Motors did make these gray, like the bottom there. It would look so much nicer, huh? I also heard that these are hard to lift, huh? These don't have truck frames.
I don't know, Kenny.
But I have seen them lifted. But yeah, see, this has got trailing arm on the bottom, not springs. This one's nice. See, it's got leather and everything inside.
Yeah.
How long you been working on this? 9 this morning, huh? What time is it now? 2, 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock, huh? Nothing's easy here at Southgate.
Full detail.
Oh, full detail, huh? Looks good. I would probably change these rims too, huh? A little darker silver.
Yeah.
Like a gunmetal silver. All right. Thanks for tuning in, Southgategarage. Look for my more videos I got. And please like me and subscribe.